Is every problem just a puzzle waiting to be solved, or is it a test of how well we can think? Problem solving and reasoning are not just skills but essential survival tools in every discipline. Whether diagnosing a patient in the lab, analyzing complex data, or even making daily decisions. As medical technology students, we rely on logical reasoning to interpret test results accurately, knowing that a single miscalculation could alter a diagnosis. In the field of mathematics, every problem is a system where each variable holds significance in the bigger picture. But beyond formulas and procedures, problem solving is about adaptability, the ability to question, analyze, and innovate. The real challenge, then, is not in finding solutions, but in developing the mindset that embraces uncertainty as an opportunity for discovery.
So our group chose to solve problem number 5. And the problem number 5 is Van tells lies on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. He tells the truth on all other days. Irish lies on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. He tells the truth on other days. If they both say, yesterday I lied, then what day is it today? To help us solve this problem, we should first get all the given details. After we get all of those, we need a method or technique that suits every problem for us to easily find the answer. As for this problem, our group chose to utilize the making a table or a list. We need to make a table for their names and the dates in a week. So in this problem, we choose the making a table list. Then we should first list all the given, which are Van tells lies on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. And on the other days, he tells all the truth. While Irish lies on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursday. And on the other day, he tells the truth. And they both said that they lied yesterday. And our required is what day is it today? So here are our table or the list. So this Van and Irish and all of the days in a week. And Friday, Saturday, Sunday are lying days for Van, while for Irish it were Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Now, let's assume that today is Monday. For Van, Monday is a truth telling day. If he claims that he lied yesterday, which is Sunday, then Sunday must have been a lying day for him. Since this aligns with his pattern, we can say that Monday is a valid possibility for Van. Now, let's check Irish. Monday is a truth telling day for her. If she states that she lied yesterday, we need to verify if this is true. However, based on the table, Sunday was also a truth telling day for Irish. This creates a contradiction because if she was telling the truth on Sunday, then she could not have lied yesterday. Since the inconsistency arises, we cannot consider Monday as a correct date.
Now, let's analyze Tuesday. For Van, Tuesday is a truth-telling day. If he claims that he lied yesterday, which is Monday, then Monday must have been lying day. However, based on the pattern, Monday is also a truth-telling day for Van. This creates a contradiction because if he was telling the truth on Monday, then he could not have lied. Since this inconsistency arises, we cannot consider Tuesday as the correct date.
Now, let's examine Wednesday. For Van, Wednesday is a truth telling day. If he claims that he lied yesterday, then Tuesday must have been a lying day. However, based on the pattern, Tuesday is also a truth telling day for Van. This contradicts his statement because he could not have lied on Tuesday if it was a truth telling day. Since the inconsistency arises, we can conclude that Wednesday is not the correct answer.
Now, let's consider Thursday. For Van, Thursday is a truth telling day. If he claims that he lied yesterday, then Wednesday must have been a lying day. However, based on the pattern, Wednesday is also a truth telling day for Van. This contradicts his statement because he could not have lied on Wednesday if it was a truth telling day. Since this inconsistency arises, we can conclude that Thursday is not the correct answer.
Let's assume that today is Friday. On this day, Van is supposed to lie. If he claims that he lied yesterday, then Thursday must have been a day when he told the truth. Since today is a lying day for Van, his statement must be false. This means that it is not true that he lied yesterday, confirming that he was actually telling the truth on Thursday. This supports Van's statement. Now, let's analyze Irish. Friday is a truth-telling day for her. If he says that he lied yesterday, this must also be true. Looking at Thursday, it would have been a lying day for Irish. Since she is telling the truth today, which is Friday, her statement is consistent. Therefore, Friday, based on this reasoning, the correct answer is that today is Friday.
To confirm that Friday is the correct answer, let's test the possibilities of Saturday and Sunday. For Van, both Saturday and Sunday are lying days. If today were either of these days and he claimed that he lied yesterday, his statement would be false because today is a lying day. However, for his statement to be false, Friday must have been a truth telling day. This contradicts the original assumption that Friday was also a lying day for Van. Since the inconsistency arises, neither Saturday nor Sunday can be the correct answer. This further supports that the correct answer is indeed Friday.
So, what truly defines a great problem solver? It is not merely intelligence, but the ability to think critically, persist through in challenges, and trust the process of reasoning. Problems are inevitable, but how we approach them determines whether we are merely reacting or truly understanding. Whether in mathematics, medical technology, or life itself, the key is to see problems not as obstacles but as pathways to deeper knowledge. In the end, the most powerful solution come not from the mind that fears complexity, but from the one that dares to navigate it.